Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of the technical difficulties tutorial. So we are finally at the solo section. I'm going to show you the solo that I did, or what I'm going to do next week, hopefully. Okay, I want to do a cover of this song, do it proper one. So this is my solo, so you can, pick up some ideas that you like, okay? I do a bend here, so just a 15. And then I do some 16 of triplets, picking stuff. And then you have these three notes. And on 14, I do a bend on 17, go up to 22, and I do an arpeggio. All right, so it's an E minor arpeggio. So 15, 17, okay. 19 on my pinky right now, 17 on B, 16 on G, 12 on G, 14 on A, okay, 11 on G right now. So far, just the arpeggio. I might have missed one note. Just do the arpeggio. Right, that's the arpeggio. Slower. Up to speed. Okay, that's an E minor arpeggio. And pedal tone lick up next. So basically you can bar, you can mute a little bit. And then 14, 15. Some bends on the 14. Pull off. So basically just octaves, right? So 11 here. And octaves again, so 9 on the A. And I slide here. Second fret. And then same finger. Put a bend on the second fret. Pull off the low E on the picking. So alright, and then a slide to the B. Starting in the F sharp. Okay, 6 notes coming up, so 11, 12, 14, and then 12. Right. And then the Paul Gilbert pattern. I'll do a tutorial on this later on. So 12, 14. 12, 15, 14. Alright, so coming up next. 12, 14, 15 right now. 14, 15. So basically it's a D chord. Just that part, I would start with what's sort of like a Lydian arpeggio, so C1. So just 3 notes. G, over C1. So that's the 3rd fret, 10th fret, and then the 13 here. Sorry, something like that. on 17, on the E, pull off, do a trio here. So that depends on your technique level. So if you're more comfortable with that, you can do more. If not, do less. And after that, just kind of noodle. Okay, I have a goal. I want to reach this note. So let me just do that for real. Sorry. Okay, so if I slow it down, it goes something like this again. So I have a trio. So that part's pretty much improv, so it might vary from case to case, time to time. And then the picking lick. So it's just 15 here. And 15 again on the slide there. And 17. And then I clash with the 14 here. So I kind of want these two notes to ring into each other. Yeah. And then 13 here. So I'm outlining the C chord. Outlining the A chord. Alright. And then so that was 5th fret. And then the bend. Sometimes I do pinch harmonics with my right hand. Sorry. Oh, some failed attempts, but you get the idea. All right. And then I actually repeat that picking lick from the intro, from section A. Because that is cool. And I'm doing a arpeggio starting with this note, E minor. So 17, sorry, 19, 17, 14, 16. And then the 9th here, F sharp. So let's, something like that. All right, so let me do that one more time. So F sharp, G, A, B, 22, the D note. The bend there, so that's the full lick. After that, we have another pocket lick, which is, whoa, so this lick's pretty long. It's a pentatonic lick actually, so you start off with the 24th fret. I hope you have a 24th fret guitar, okay? Alright, so basically you have this pattern first. And then you got a G here. Just slide again. And that end here, I'm doing a bend. So slowly, the whole thing. And I do some more pentatonic lick here. Sometimes I do this bend, another bend in the end, and actually helps me cue into the song. So like, I'll just go back into the song. All right, so that's the solo. And I will end this video here. I'll see you in the next video where I talk about the last part, all right?